Alright, my OEM belt came in the mail today. They even left a security thing on it. We'll get that off, get that belt put on. And then my other 60 or 80 lights came in to go with these. This is my pattern I made for the side of the bus. One light every foot. I just stick that to the side of the bus, mark them out, and then we go from there. And then we'll get to putting lights on here. But I want to get them. I want to get all the holes drilled and everything done before I paint, and that way there's no taping these off. So, all right, we'll get that done. And then I bought a flamethrower. That's the old belt. You can see how it's twisted. It'll never stay on the pulley. You'll always want to ride off. Bought a flamethrower to get rid of these weeds around this building. At Tractor Supply, that weed thrower with a propane tank was 150 bucks. That was 50. All I gotta do is get a propane tank. I got 3 or 4 of them. There's one laying right there. So anyways, we'll get this brand new lawnmower picked up. You see how you got to change the belt. That's a brand new belt I bought, but I don't like it because it's not an OEM belt. I'm afraid to put it all back together and have that damn thing jump off. So we're going to go ahead and stick an OEM belt on it. You got to take that whole front chunk off. It comes off the front of that. And I went ahead and drained the fuel, drained the oil. And then I give $125 for that brand new lawnmower. She said she had no idea what was wrong with it. And it looked like new. The tires are nice, you know. Come to find out the belt was off the pulley and it had stinky gas in it. So we're going to go ahead and pull it forward out of this mess where I cleaned all the grass out from under it. Pull it up front, lay my blanket down, and get a new belt on there, get it put back together. So we'll be back. All right, we took this whole front chunk off. We're going to clean that rust up, that shaft, put a little bit of Seal Glide on it. That's my new belt. And then keep it from rusting again, and then put it back together. And it's the shaft polished up. Put a little Seal Glide on it. This stuff here. And stick her back together. All right, got transmission all together. Belt's in it. Now it's just a matter of getting it all put back in there. And that's what we're going to do right now. Got all the bolts laying out here. We'll go ahead and stick it back together. Alright, it's all back together. All the screws. Didn't have any extras. So we'll go ahead and fire it up for the first time. Come off of here. There's a piece missing. All right. The cable's too big for the hole. It's got a spring. All right. We know that works. So, we can zip tie this cable. on zip ties yet. I gotta find out what's missing. It's like there's a little eyelet that would go in there. It would hold that. Well, now we gotta fix that. All right, so here's what I did 5 minutes later. That loops into that hole, but it won't stay because the hook is just so short. So it'll stay now, as you can see where it comes through. So we'll try it. All right, let's try it again. Well, let me get this out there. I'm gonna pack it zip ties. And then what I'll do is I'll find out if there's supposed to be a insert or something in there. Pull that. Go slow, you just tip it forward a little bit and it'll go slow. If you want to go faster, you tip it forward a little farther and it goes faster. And that's it. There we go. Blade sharpened, new belt. What I paid, I got about less than 150 bucks in it. There we go.